Now, I am a creative genius when it comes to painting. I mean, look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god, it smells horrible.
I think that this could rival the Mona Lisa.
Yeah. Keep thinking.
In the same way that a smart car compares to a Bugatti.
No.
Because this is the Bugatti. No, just joking. This is actually crap. No, but
That's a Yugo. Or a...
Yugo?
Yeah, a Yugo.
Now this is really gonna be like, gonna get me into an art school for this. Meanwhile, Casey and his engineering piece of crap. No, he's actually done a really good job engineering this to make it run better. And now he's gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna get out of the way.
Oh, it goes way faster than it did before.
Yeah, as you seen in our last video, it's going a lot better, and we will continue to work on this. So when Casey gets better steering, my creative genius car gets more painted and becomes a lot better. Yeah, we're gonna actually build the whole car tomorrow and try it out and see how good it looks.
I think the top is making it